Hi everyone, this is just a quick video. You can see why I haven't got my TV on behind me. So I'm just about to go out and meet our programmer who is finishing the BD 6.0. So for the last 2 weeks, we have been sorting out all the parameters, all the algorithms, making sure what we want can be achieved and coded in the BD. So all this week, he is coding the BD 6.0, and I'm going to go over there now to make sure it's all going smoothly, and hopefully this Friday I will have the BD 6.0 and I'll be able to start testing it, and I can show you all how amazing it is on my videos. Now, first of all, I want to thank everybody in the Binary Destroyer VIP group this week. The amount of success and results has been simply astonishing. We had an incredible webinar on Sunday, and for some reason that webinar has kind of switched on a lot of light bulbs for our members, and it's just the amount of results have been incredible. Now, I'm not going to keep talking because I've got to drive over to Leicester now to go meet our programmer, but I made a video earlier of the results, which I'll show you now, and also some live trading using this perfect strategy, which combines the AND strategy, diversions, double tops, double bottoms. So let's go. So we'll start off in the VIP group where everybody receives all the training and shares their results. Now I just want to show you just the amount of success and results the BD members are having from Sunday's webinar. It seems to have clicked for a lot of members, and I mean a lot. I mean, we normally have some members that struggle, you know, to do with patience and disciplines. You know, is this the right trade? Is this not? But yesterday and today, I have not seen anybody post any bad results. I mean, it's simply been astonishing. So I'll show you quickly from the top. So I posted this, as you can see, 13 minutes ago, and I was saying 3 simple rules: AND strategy, double bottom, diversions. And you can see absolutely, you know, when you get a setup like this, there's no questions asked. Okay, pretty much 90% going to be a winner. I mean, we can see a nice double bottom here. We can see a nice bit of diversions, and not only that, look at the perfect BD arrow right outside the bands. And what happens when you get into a trade like this? As you can see from the next photo, it was a nice winner. And as you can see, you know, pretty simple stuff. So I'm just going to scroll down here and you'll see some of the fantastic results. Here we go, straight away. Results for the BD: 8-0. Basic AND strategy, diversions, double tops and double bottoms. This is worth it. Best day in a long time. And I'm not, you know, I'm not hiding anything. Look, double bottom, and he says double tops, double bottoms, diversions. Simply mind-blowing. Again, look at this. Good one again. 12-0. Look at that. Nice double bottom. Guys, trade is correct. Although I took 2 trades on this against the trend, 20-minute expiry. Which one would have won? All 3 would have won as well. You can see that, a nice double top. Second trade of the day, boom, winner. Beautiful. Another day, lost 2 trades, 10 pips, but I'm still 20 pips in profit. I mean, look, you know, mind blowing. This is Maya. 3 months ago was struggling, and then now it's just clicked for him. We'll keep going. I love FX options. I mean, there's a lot of successful people. This in the last 2 days, the amount of success has just simply been mind-blowing. Like, I have never seen so much success. Talking about double tops and double bottoms here by John, one of our future admins. Here we go. Here's a perfect example. Okay, look at this. This was me last night, and we'll just go over it. Okay, just to show you I'm not hiding anything. You know, I'll show you all the bad and good results in the BD group. Where was I? And I'll show you here. Okay, look, results. Let me know, please, Remember, we are trading the currency market. We're going to have good and bad days, but let me know how you got on. So we'll just have a look at all 22 comments, and you'll see that pretty much every single one of them is just success. I mean, it's just been low. I mean, look, straight away, 100% win ratio, 5-3, 2-0, well, 0-0, stupid MT4 wasn't. Hold on, let me get rid of this. 0-0. I didn't do any trading yesterday because I went out. Adding the 100 EMA really enhances your trading. Got back from my break around 100 pips in 1 hour. Should say BD with the Trist. 1-0, 2-1. I'm proud of this. No stacking. 18-0 with BD diversions. 10-0 with diversions. It's very slow even for a Monday. Took 3 trades over 6 with the AND strategy. No stacking, just 3 signals, 3 trades, 3 wins. I had 4-0 with the BD, 1-0, up 6.9%. Thank you. 3.5% up this month. Good start so far. 4-0 AND strategy, 5-0. I mean, look, it's just mind-blowing. Normal BD rules, just need to be consistent now, but I'm not going down the right path. Thank you everyone for all your videos and posts, especially Jamie Palmer and Mark Ballin. Your videos are priceless. KRS Chris, 1 minute 1 minute time frame engulfing candles, 16 pips. I would like to let you know this, when the market is in such a strong downtrend, when the market is in such a strong downtrend and there is an arrow with a double bottom with diversions, this is a good trade. Most of the time, golden AND's arrow, it's everywhere. I've been taking rubbish trades and all these whiles for the sake of hitting my targets fast, but no, this is how one should be trading, like a trigger preying on a deer. Wait for the right moment and bounce. I mean, it's just phenomenal. We'll keep going. Finally, I saw a good setup. Woo. Back tested with the, no, that's some back testing. Good night from South Africa, 10-0. I mean, it just goes on. Here we go. Diversions tip for the AND strategy. The recent red arrows in the bands processing, as you can see. He took a nice 10-minute expiry, all win. I mean, I could go on and on and on and on and on. I really can. I mean, it's just been, look, even Joel says, okay, let me just read his. Tonight, I'll be smashing 2 strategies. 3 candles outside the bands and strategy with diversions. Seeing some great entries on simulator and getting into big and deep ITMs. One day, I'll be trading as my only source of income and enjoying life. So yeah, as you can see, I'm not hiding anything. It is phenomenal. So let's go over to the charts and I will show you this amazing setup. Like I said, 3 simple rules. Let's go back to the top and I'll show you these 3 simple rules. Okay, let's go down. Here we go. 3 simple rules. And strategy, double bottom, diversions. 3 simple rules, yet so successful and powerful. So here we have a nice double bottom. Okay, double bottoms are when we get a double touch off a support line. So you can see the price comes down, bounces off the support line, comes back up. We get another bounce and price rejections. Excuse me there, just coughing. So as you can see, we have a nice W shape pattern. This is a perfect strategy. Okay, double bottom. Now, when we get our first touch of a support line, it's good. You know, it's effective. It's a good strategy. When the price comes back down and bounces off the support again, we have a 50% greater chance now of winning this trade. Okay, and we can see, I call it M's and W's because it makes a nice W-shaped pattern. Okay, so that's our first confirmation. W-shaped pattern. Next one, diversions on the RSI. Yes, there is our second confirmation. And what's our last one? Okay, BD arrow. Perfect and strategy. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. And this is what we wait for. This arrow here. As soon as this pops, we get into a 10, 15. I mean, you could take a 5, 10, 15. What you mean? You could take a 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, half an hour trade here. It doesn't matter. Just stack them. I mean, I don't want to say that, but I mean, I made a lot of money trading M's and W's, okay? And that is what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to set all my charts to something like this. Let me just do everything like that. I'm going to set all my charts up and we're going to do some live trading today. Some live trading, and I'm going to try and see if I can get some double tops on double bottoms, and I can show you exactly as they happen with the AND strategy and with diversions. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to wait until we get a setup. Now, like I said, this is live trading, so I don't know when I'm going to get a setup. It could be 5 minutes from now, it could be 20 minutes from now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to wait until I get a perfect setup, play the video, explain to you why this is a perfect setup, get into a trade, and we can just sit and count the pips. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I've been sitting here for around 1 hour and 50 minutes and I haven't got a single setup. Well, I've had a couple of setups, but not a perfect AND strategy, diversion and double top or double bottom setup. So what I've done is I've actually gone into my back testing software and I found a perfect example of a double top, diversions, and strategy signal. Now this here, okay, is what I would say pretty much 99% going to be a winner. Okay, you can never guarantee trading, but I have made a hell of a lot of money trading this. I know it works time and time again, and the fact that we have the new AND strategy just makes it like the icing on the cake for me. So I'm just going to break it down for you. So first of all, we have our double top. Okay, double tops normally appear at the top of an uptrend, and we can see, if I get rid of this, and I can see by, if you zoom out, we can see it's an uptrend by looking at the zones. Okay, perfect double top at the top of an uptrend. Okay, now you'll normally see me say, oh, M's and W's. Now I just want to show you the M in this. So this is our first leg. Okay, price has rejected from the zone, it's pulled down. That's our second leg. Price pulls back up. There's our third leg, and then the price will do something like this, and it's a perfect M shape. Can you see that? So that's our first confirmation or rule that's been met. Our second one is diversions. Look at that. The price is at the same level at the top here, but diversion is going lower. There's our second confirmation. And our third confirmation on which we enter a trade is by this AND strategy signal arrow here. So the BD arrow here is outside of the zone. This is our icing on the cake. This confirms our trade, and we get into 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, doesn't matter, half an hour. I don't know what the result of this is going to be. But I will play it now, and I will guarantee 99% this is going to drop. And I think it will drop. I think I might have gone over this example before. Yeah, I have. I went over this example in the webinar, but just watch this drop now, okay? And I'll show you right now, right? So just imagine I'll give you an example, right? Let's say we took this on FOREX and we got into a trade. I will just show you. Okay, we got into a trade at the close of this top candle, right? Let's just see how many pips we would have made. And I'm going to zoom out like this, and we'll see what happens. Now, I'd just like to remind you that we're not going to guarantee this amount of pips. You know, we're not going to guarantee to make 100 pips here, but just watch the price drop. Okay. and I'll speed it up a little bit more, and you'll see, let me speed it up again. Okay, we're dropping, look at it, right? Just look. Can you see how the AND strategy, look at the AND strategy, right? Gives us a perfect signal at a reversal. Perfect. I mean, you couldn't get more perfect than this. Okay, and I guarantee if I keep speeding it up, we end up in a downtrend. Let me just speed it up again more. Okay, we push back up, we drop again. Okay, we're going back down. Price is going sideways now. I think that's news. But I mean, give me an example, okay? Let's pause it there. Okay, price is going sideways. That's not a good time to trade. But if we got in at the top here, that could have netted us easily 20 pips. Okay, simple trading, and that is why. Okay, and I'm just going to refresh. I'm just going to refresh the VIP group, and I will show you if there's any up-to-date results. Now, I haven't seen this, okay, but I guarantee today has been that good with results. I can say that we are going to get some more, and I've been buzzing. I've been a really happy bunny, because when everyone makes money, I'm happy. Okay. 4 minutes ago, 2 more trades, boom winner. Today's results 4-0, 100%. First day with the BD was very fantastic. A signal there. There we go. Money. As you can see, nice trade there. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there. If you do have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.